All right, so now let's get into the marketing plan. So the marketing plan is a simple uni-level plan. Marcos, tell everyone why you like uni-levels real quick.
Reason I like unilevels is because the way the unilevel is structured is to help everybody win. There are other structures out there, such as binaries and matrices, and they can help people make a lot of money, but mostly very big networkers who are very strategically positioned so that they can structure it in just the right way to benefit them. But a lot of little people get ripped off because they try working really hard and it's hard to make predictions as to how the company will grow, how your organization and your team will grow. So, with a unilevel system, it's designed so that every person wins according to their work. If you work, you win. It's not if you work, you might win. It's if you work, you win. And the way this simple structure is set up is a simple unilevel, but it's also what I would deem a progressive unilevel. So this is one of the best compensation plans I've ever seen. I've made mistakes before where I've built organizations and then I placed people in the wrong leg, thinking that they would do something, and then my good workers were in the opposite leg and it didn't do much. It didn't do anything. So you have to make sure that you structure your people in a way so that you increase your luck and your chances. With this, it's simple, it's easy. You just build wide, you share, and you also do need to strategize as you grow so that you can climb up the ranks as well. So I love it, and this is the way to go in my opinion. Unilevels are the best way to go in the network marketing industry.
Okay, so let's talk about the marketing plan now. We've got everyone comes in as a customer, and so you have to buy a booster. And why wouldn't you? Like, why wouldn't you want to make Bitcoins every day with us? It's obvious, right? So everyone comes in, and you're now a booster owner. Yes. After you're a booster owner now, you're making Bitcoins passively. So that's win number one. Okay, so you're making Bitcoins passively, and you're putting your feet on the sofa. Now, step number two, you're going to love that. Who's not going to love that? You're going to be like, wow, honey, look at this. I'm making Bitcoins again. It's been years. Thank goodness Jan and Marcos showed me this thing. Then you're going to go tell your buddies. You're going to tell your friends, hey, look at me. I'm making Bitcoins like a boss. You guys want a piece of this? Like Walter does. And then you're going to show the booster to your friends. And they're going to be like, hey, I want passive income. Hey, I want Bitcoins. Sign me up. And then you're going to make 5%. You're going to make 5% for doing that. Awesome, right? And then all those boosters that you sold to all your friends and they're all experiencing it, your mom and your auntie and everybody else, and they're loving it and making Bitcoins. Now you're making 5% of that network. And that's how it all starts for almost all people, just really simple like that. You can also come in at a shared position, and you can also turn on your marketing plan as well by doing that, and then just grow up your booster levels. Okay, everyone can start, chip away at it. You can start at $100 and buy more, whatever budget, but it starts at $100, and away we grow. Away we grow. Now we got ranks, and we want to chase the ranks. Why do we want to chase the ranks? Well, if we're not a passive income earner, then that means we're an active earner. And there's two kinds of active earners, and they're networkers. There's small networkers and large networkers. There's no other kinds. There is no other kinds of customer. There's small networkers and large networkers. So let's talk about the small networker. The small networker will challenge a marketing plan like this, probably go up a few ranks and enjoy themselves. That they don't want to build a really busy business in their phone, in their head, on their laptops, and they don't want to be overwhelmed. So they just do small networking out there and they enjoy a marketing plan like this. Then the large networkers, guys like Marcos that wants to build thousands and thousands of people in his team, he likes this because he's looking at the column called ranking income. That's where the real income in a large organization comes from. So when you go to 1 star, you now have to own a full booster, and you can have that in pieces. So you can have 50% like that, and then 250%. And that's a big question. And then you've got to do direct sales of 3 boosters. And my mom can do this. Anyone can do that. Everyone wants these. By the way, there are millions and millions of customers for this product, and we've only got 500,000 units in our first phase. And I'm afraid we might sell out. And I'm not joking. Like, it's not today, but we're building momentum every single day. The numbers going up around the world. We've got the first 500K to achieve here. And so don't sleep on this. So anyway, 3 boosters sold now, direct sales, and now I've got 10 boosters in my group, okay? And now the 10 boosters in my group, now I'm making 10%. That's $100 a booster. That's good money for direct sales, okay? And now I'm making 10% of my network, and that's the juice. That's what Marcos likes to make, and that's what all large networkers like to focus on. Small networkers like to focus on the direct sales, and they're also happy with the network income, but they're going to be more on that direct sales commission. Now we go to 2 stars. Now I've owned 3 boosters, and why wouldn't I? 3 boosters passive running for me, doing nothing else is really nice money coming in. And then I've got 10 boosters direct sales. So 10 boosters done. Now I've got 80 boosters in my network. And now I'm making 12.5%, 125 per booster, and I'm making 15% of my network's income. And that gets bigger and bigger. Now we get to 3-star level where Marcos is today. He's got 5 boosters. He's actually got more. He's got 2 2-stars underneath him, which he does, and he's got 250 boosters in his network, and he's got more than that already, and it's only been a few weeks. So you guys, he's an example here today of a large networker. And now he's making 15% for every booster he sells. That's 150, 150, like that. And now he's making 20% of his network in the ranking income. And now he's happy. Now he wants to build more network and more network and more network, and it organically grows. As long as you partner with the right people, he's got his Marios and Loris and all those guys, Dora, and as long as he partners with his right partners, then he can build out a really big business, and all of the network organically grows, because this thing is sticky. Once you start making money from Bitcoin passively every day, nonstop, you'll find yourself going, wow, it's been a long time, like we did. A light bulb went off. And then we started to get more boosters because we want more Bitcoins. And it's sticky, folks. It's really, really sticky. So even though Marcos is at the 3-star level in a few weeks and he's made some good money, and he's still not satisfied. And he also knows that there's more to be had. So what is the point? Well, we have to help more people experience the passive income. We have to help more people get educated. And if we help more people get wealthy and put Bitcoin in their pockets, then we're doing the proper job. And then the organic network begins to really flourish and grow and grow and grow. And now Marcos is actually very close to 800 boosters and achieving his 4-star rank. At this exact level is when the game changes in the network marketing plan here. And this is when you get accelerated income. You'll be in the hundreds of dollars a day, thousands of dollars a day, stuff like that. So this is at that 4-star level, and it really starts to climb here. You're not going to see it. Everyone's going to start at 0. That's where we all start. Then you're going to see some small potatoes coming up, and that's normal. Just keep watching the numbers grow. But when you get to 4-star, and I've sat with the CMO, Mr. Ronnie, this is really where the rubber meets the road. And this is why Marcos tells everyone to chase the ranks. And he will be an example later on. We'll see his back office, and he'll show us his 4-star earnings, and it's going to be very substantial. So 15 boosters, and now he's got to groom 2 3-star individuals underneath him, which he's got them. He's got 800 boosters in his network, and he's almost there. And then he's going to make 175 for every booster he does on direct sales. And that's really good commission. And then he's going to make 25% of his down network below him. And that's going to be really, really good income as well. Big income, especially as the network gets bigger. Then we go to 5-star level, and it really starts to climb here. It's another big jump. Why? Why are we getting a larger income in our ranking income column? Because of the number of boosters in our network, you see? Because at 5-star, Marcos has to own 30, and he'll just chip away, and he'll buy those along his way. He'll have 2 4-stars under he's got Mario, he's got others, he'll do it, and he's going to have 2,500 boosters in his network, and he's definitely on the way there, obviously. At this point, he's going to make $200 per booster, USDT, and 28% of his network volume, and that's going to be really, really big. And then he's going to get to 6-star level, obviously. He wants to own 100 boosters, while the requirements are 50, so he's already doubling in his mind what he wants. Now he's grooming 2 5-stars underneath him, and he's already got them. Like, he's already got those 2 5-stars. He has them. And he's got 8,000 boosters. Just a matter of time that this organically grows in his network. He's already set up his account with the perfect partnerships. He's already got the formula here, and he's just going to climb week after week, week after week, as long as it takes him to get up to that 6-star level. And he'll have 8,000 boosters in his network. He'll be making $225 a booster, and he'll be making 30% of that network income activity. And that's where it's really going to be ginormous. What kind of money, Jan? Well, like 175,000 a week. 150,000 a week, stuff like that. That's where it gets to at the 6-star level. And so this marketing plan is really, I would say, simple and easy structure to follow. I would say that it's accomplishing to get from zero, like a customer at the baseline, all the way up to the 3-star level. And that's where I said there's two kinds of networkers, small networkers and large networkers. Most of the small networkers will get up to the 3-star level, and they'll enjoy, the ride and the journey, and they'll enjoy the fact that they were able to achieve that. Then the large networkers, guys like Marcos, he'll go for the 6-star level, and he'll achieve a lot greater income for helping thousands and thousands of people experience the Bit Booster. And that is the job, folks. You want to do marketing, you want to do coaching, you want to do education, you want to copy us, you want to follow us, and you also want to usher your new people to us at the very beginning so they get educated on the product, the plan, the company, and everything in between, so they can go out there and they can explain in layman's terms, like I do every call, so that people learn how to talk about the product, the industry, where the money comes from, the partnerships, and things like that. I see a lot of people already in my coffee meetings with them a little bit hyping things up or misrepresenting. You guys have to be very careful what you say out there. You have to be very adamant about what we're doing here, and you have to really exude some knowledge and some confidence when you are talking about any kind of product in the world. So you really want to study a little bit, come back to the Zooms, let it sink in until you get to a comfortable point where you guys can go out there and explain this most innovative, brilliant, amazing product, the Bit Booster right here. And so it's a turbo, like this booster, turbo, easy analogy, and it just turbocharges the efficiency of the mining partners, and we make money for that. And it's really brilliant. Software, chipset gets to work, plugs in, everybody's making money, invoice comes with it, 5-year warranty comes with it. I don't know if it gets any better. And there you go. So there's the marketing plan. So simple, you guys, to understand why we're so powerful out here, why BitHarvest has taken off like a boss. And I want you guys to really, really get involved. Get involved. Let's go.
Since its inception in 2009, Bitcoin mining has created countless wealth legends, each having heralds a new round of challenges and opportunities. However, as time progresses, the problems faced by mining are becoming increasingly prominent: high energy consumption, low efficiency, and the enormous pressure on the environment. It is these industry challenges and pain points that led to the birth of BitHarvest. We saw not only the problems, but also the possibility of solving these issues through technological innovation, leading the mining industry towards sustainable development. As a Bitcoin mining and digital currency service provider, we firmly believe that technological innovation and sustainable development are the core forces driving the cryptocurrency industry forward. Founded in 2023, BitHarvest is committed to solving efficiency and environmental issues in Bitcoin mining with our core product, Bit Booster, offering more efficient and eco-friendly mining solutions to miners worldwide.
At BitHarvest, we are dedicated to solve the problems faced by the mining industry through innovative technology and opening a new era in cryptocurrency mining. Our core business is not only about providing efficient mining solutions, but also about building while empowering the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bit Booster is our revolutionary product that greatly enhances mining efficiency through advanced algorithms optimization. This has direct economic benefits for miners and a profound impact on the entire mining ecosystem.
BitHarvest adheres to the mission of driving the mining industry towards higher efficiency and environmental friendliness. Through our win-win-win ecosystem, creating value for mining farms, miners, and the entire mining industry, we are empowering the mining industry.
Our vision is to create a world where everyone can participate in mining and benefit from it. Through BitHarvest, we are dedicated in breaking down barriers, simplifying Bitcoin mining, and promoting sustainability.